When you log into the back end of your website, you're going to see all of your plugins, and there is a section for your themes. They're in the appearance section, themes, and it's going to show you how many of them need updates. So right now I need 5 plugins need updates. So I go down the list here and I see, oh look, Design Pack needs an update. What do? Click Update. So at your website, you need to update your plugins so they stay with the most current software. Don't expect me, because you're hosting on my website platform, to update all the time. When I have time, I'll go in and do it, but most of the time it's very simple. Just log into the back end of your website. When you see something needs updates, I have 4 of them here that need updating. I just go in and update them. These would be on one of my websites. Just kind of updates. Sure, you can drink coffee in between the updates. Can't they be done automatically? Some can, some can't. So even though I have it automatically updates in 7 hours, I'm going to update it ahead of time. So I might be using the icons here. Let me scroll down, testimonials, hit update here. This is all your functionality of your website. And there's one more. Which one would that be? Rocket. This speeds up your website here. This hides the login because people like to hack websites all day long. So this one here hides the login. So that's how you update your plugins on your website. If there was a theme issue, appearance themes, it would have update next to it. That's how you do it. Take care.